Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer. I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a pop-up DIY special on this choker right here. Now I'm going to show you all how to make and create this choker. This choker that I have on, ladies and gentlemen, can be worn, I'm going to say you can dress it up, you can dress it down, and it can go as a casual look as well, okay? Instead of me making the tassel earrings that I could have made to go along with the choker, I decided to keep it simple and make some aluminum wire earrings to go along with this choker. So I thought that this was a better suited fit for the outfit that I have on now. If you want to, you can also incorporate and make the tassel earrings the same way you make this. You can make the tassel earrings along with the whole outfit. You can pretty much make this an outfit that, you know, you can make it exceptional. You can add and take and, you know, pretty much do different things with it. So for those of you who want to know how this necklace was created, please stay tuned. Okay, so here are the items that you are going to need for this choker. So basically, I was in Walmart. You can find this at Walmart. I'm sure you all have seen this in the crafts aisle where they sell ribbon. And I ran across this and I was like, I can make a really cute choker. So you're going to need this. You can get this from Walmart and it's a trim. You are going to need some scissors. You're going to need a ruler. You're going to need also some stitch witchery, which is this right here. Okay, you're going to need 2 pieces of stitch witchery. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers. You're going to need an awl. It's spelled A-W-L. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but this is what I'm going to be using to make my hole and my fabric, okay? You're also going to need a glue gun. You're going to need a piece of chain, and this chain I have cut 5 inches long, so you're going to need some chain. You're also going to need 2 ribbon closures, okay? You're also going to need 3 jump rings. So we have 3 jump rings. And your choice of flat beads. So whatever flat beads you decide that you want to get, this is what they look like. Now they also sell these flat beads in pearls. So you can get the flat pearls or whatever you have. It has to have a flat back in order for you to achieve the look, okay? And you're going to need a lobster claw clasp. And last but not least, y'all, I'm sorry, you're going to need a sleeve from a t-shirt. Okay, so I cut this out from a t-shirt, and this is what you're going to need. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that I did was I took the liberty already and I cut out my my trim. I cut out 12.5 inches of my trim, and this is what I'm going to go with. The next thing I am going to do is I'm going to take 2 pieces of my stitch witchery and I'm going to put it on the inside just like this. 2 pieces. And I'm going to take and fold this over just like this. And make sure when you fold it over that it is even with the other side. And you're going to go ahead and iron it down, okay? So once you iron it down, it's going to be nice and flat. So I'm going to go do that and I will be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the next thing you're going to do is once you iron it, it's going to be nice and stiff, and that's pretty much what you want, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start gluing on my gems. So I'm going to start up pretty much over here, just making a little design, and basically you're going to need 8 blue gems. So you're going to need 8 of these. You're going to need 2 black gems, and you're going to need 6 of the gold, okay? Because I'm going to be gluing these on. I'm going to be gluing these on here, okay? And all right, so here we go. So basically I'm going to pretty much start over here, and I'm going to place a gold one. No, actually a blue one right here. So I'm going to use my glue gun, put a smidge of glue. I'm going to place that one right here, just like that. Then the next color I'm going to put is I'm going to put a gold one. I'm going to put a gold one right there. Put one right here. Push it down. Okay, and then the next color I'm going to go with is going to be another blue one. Okay, and I'm going to put that one right here. So you're just going to be alternating the colors that you use for this. Then the next one is going to be a gold one. Put that right here. Okay. So basically what I'm going to go, I believe you all pretty much get what I'm trying to achieve here. I'm going to go ahead and complete this, and then I'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so basically this is what you're going to have once you get everything on there and get it all lined up. And basically what I did was I did blue, gold, blue, gold. I did a blue, a black, a gold, a blue, blue, gold, black, blue, gold, blue, gold, blue. Okay, and that's pretty much what I did for my whole choker. Basically the next thing I'm going to do is bend my choker in half, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to use my owl to put a hole in it. I'm going to put a hole right here. Okay, I hope y'all can see that hole. It's pretty big. And that's where my jump ring, I'm going to put my jump ring to put my tassel on. So I'm going to put that, I'm going to actually put that on right, I'm going to put the jump ring in right now. So that part will already be done. Okay. So this part of the earring, out of the choker, is almost completed. The very last thing we're going to do is we're going to add on these ribbon closures, and we're going to put these on the both ends of our choker. So I'm going to put one right here, and I'm going to just take and squeeze it in, and squeeze it on both sides. So I'm going to squeeze one over here, and then I'm going to do this side over here. Okay, and that's done. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a jump ring onto this, and I'm going to also add my chain. So I'm going to put my jump ring on, and I'm going to add my chain onto the jump ring. Close it up. Okay. And then down on this end, I'm going to add my jump ring, my ribbon closure and my lobster claw clasp, and I'll be back. Okay, everyone, so we have everything on. Okay, so this is the first part of our choker. So now we're going to go ahead and start assembling the next part. So basically what I did was I took a t-shirt, I cut out the sleeve, okay, and what's going to make this so different is pretty much when you cut out the t-shirt, you want to make sure that you start up at the top, you cut it all the way up from the top, and you come down the bottom, but you cut the little trim. It's some hemming on the bottom. You cut that off, okay? And basically, I'm going to show you what your next step is. So the next step is you're going to make and cut some slits, some real small slits in your fabric, just like this, okay? And you're going to do this on the whole entire piece. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what your end result is going to be. All right. So the next thing that I am going to do is I am going to start rolling it from the longer side all the way down to the shorter side. Okay, so I'm basically going to take my glue gun. I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here. Okay, just to start it. And I'm going to pinch it over just like this. And I'm just going to start rolling it up. Okay, but before I completely get that started, I want to take my aluminum wire, which is this. You're going to cut about 15 inches, and you're just going to make a loop at the end, okay? So you're going to make a loop right here. And you want to have this so that once you roll this completely up, you can add this on, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and roll this up. Turn it like this and roll it all the way down. And I don't add any glue. Those of you who know me, I don't add any glue in between or anything like that. I try to stay away from the messes if I can help it. And I'm just going to continue to roll this down like this. And at the very end, when I get to the end, I will add some glue. I'm just going to roll this all the way down like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, ladies and gentlemen, okay? And this is pretty much what you're going to have. It's going to look just like this at first. So the next thing you're going to do, the very last thing you're going to do is you're just going to take and put a smidge of glue on the tail end of this. So you're going to put a smidge of glue on the tail end right here. And bring that part over just like that. Okay? And that's it. Okay, so the next thing, so this is what it should look like. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your aluminum wire, and you're going to place your aluminum wire right about there. Okay, that's about 1/2 inch. And we're going to start wrapping it around. Okay, we're going to start wrapping it around. Hold it as tight as you can as you're wrapping it. And you just want to wrap it. And this is a technique that most of you all who follow me pretty much know that I do a lot, because it's just a technique that really helps when you're making and creating things. Okay, it makes it so much easier for you to be able to do. And you just roll it, you just keep rolling it all the way down. Okay, and then when you get to this part right here, you want to keep going almost until like you don't really see any wire at all. That's why I said use 15 inches. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to have. And then last but not least, we're going to snip off a piece. We're going to snip this piece off just like this. Let me see, about right there. And then we're going to take and bring this over and tuck it down inside. So we're going to bring it over and tuck it down just like that. And then we're going to take our pliers and just come up and pinch it. Try to pinch it up so that it at least can be standing up. So the very next thing we're going to do, is we're going to start pulling on our t-shirt just like this. Okay, so I'm going to go pull this and I will be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so once you get it all pulled down and all that good stuff, this is pretty much what you are going to have. Okay, once you pull it and get it straight, this is what you're going to have. So the very next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add that to our choker. So pretty much we're going to take our choker, and where we have our jump ring, where we already put our jump ring, and we're just going to slide that on just like, actually I'm going to turn it because I want to add it on from the back. So I'm going to flip my jump ring around. Open it just a little bit more. I'm just going to slide this on. Okay. And that should be good. Slide it on like that. And then we're just going to close it. Okay. Okay, so that when it hangs, you won't see this part of it. You'll see this part, okay? So pretty much, this is our beautiful choker, okay? And this is a piece that is a statement piece, and you can wear it to, well, depending on your job, you can wear it to work, you can wear it out when you're going out somewhere, you know. This is a beautiful statement piece, okay? And you made and created this. I want to thank y'all for watching today. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit that bell that is on the side, so that go up to all, so that once I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.